Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group YouTube channel. My name is Michael Edward Paranoid. I go by Michael Edward. I am the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. I've got a special little video here for you guys as we go into the holiday. We've got a couple of days left in 2023. I'm going to share with you my expectations and my beliefs on whether or not this amazing rally can continue through a Santa Claus rally into the new year to new all-time highs on the S&P, or is a rug pull pullback coming? And if so, what is the best way to take advantage of it? I'm going to share all that information with you. Why should you care about anything it is that I have to say, though? It's because I didn't figure this trading thing out on my own. I didn't do it by watching YouTube videos or sitting in Discord chats. I began my trading career over 17 years ago working at T3 Alpha Fund, my first job out of college in New York City, where they made me go through an educational training program before the fund let me touch a dollar of their money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash. But it was also the same year I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG, and along with my team of 9 other professional trading moderators and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals of reaching profitability. We have members in 115 different countries. We truly are a global community here at True Trading Group. We are also a Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool, because when you join True Trading Group, our platform comes inclusive with tons of tools and resources that are some of the best fintech tools that are on the markets today. These would cost you $5,000 to $6,000 a year if you were to pay for them on your own, like Benzinga Pro's newsfeed, congressional trading data, insider trading, the trade idea scanner, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, analyst ratings, a trading journal, a social sentiment scanner, AI trading tools. All of this is included when you guys join True Trading Group's annual membership. There's no upsells for any of those things. There's no upsell for our courses. You get access to the entire course curriculum, which is a simplified version of the training that I received working at the fund in New York. Okay, so if you guys didn't know who I am or why you should listen to anything that I discuss on this YouTube channel, that is the reason why. We also have a 78% retention rate at True Trading Group. 78% of our members stay with us at TTG. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,400 reviews. So make sure you guys go check those out. So let's talk about what I think about the overall markets. Like, we've had one of the biggest rallies that I have ever, honestly, I'm not kidding. This is one of the most aggressive rallies that I've seen in the market, because there really hasn't been any pullback. Like, when you look at what happened in the markets after the bond market bottomed, which means yields peaked at the very end of October, the market's gone straight up ever since, as the market has come to the realization that the Fed is done raising rates. And then you got a really good CPI print. You got the Fed little dovish pivot from the Fed meeting. And the markets have just gone straight up to the upside, as you're now pricing in the possibility of a rate cut as early as March. Now, this is where we need to start to have this discussion, because the market seemed to believe that the Fed's going to cut rates in March. I, on the other hand, don't think you're going to get your first rate cut until May. Now, you might say, well, 2 months, not a big deal, not a big difference. Does it really matter? And the answer is yes, it does matter. And what matters even more is why the Fed is going to cut rates. Because do not make the mistake of thinking that any rate cut is a buy signal, because that's actually not the case. Matter of fact, throughout history, when the Fed cuts rates, the markets have actually headed to the downside, and headed to the downside in a pretty big way after the first rate cut. But that's because the majority of the time that the Fed has cut rates, it's been because the economy has fallen into a recession, and they're trying to get the economy out of a recession. So that first rate cut is actually not a buy signal. The market actually continues lower as the economy slows, earnings disappoint, consumer spending slows, and the markets actually go down first before eventually recovering once the economy comes out of the recession. But this time, if the Fed is able to pull off a soft landing, which lately it looks more and more likely, like a soft landing is the more probable scenario. If you asked me a year ago if I thought that we would be at 4,700, 4,800 on the S&P futures, or just on the S&P, if you asked me that a year ago, I would have said no way. I was actually in the camp that I thought we would have a mild recession this year, maybe like a rolling recession, which means that the whole economy doesn't fall into a recession, but different areas and sectors of it fall into a recession one after another. That's the idea of a concept of a rolling recession. That's what I thought we were going to get this year. Not the case. The economy held out far better than anybody had anticipated. Like 90% of Wall Street analysts and strategists did not have the markets doing what it did this year. A select few perma-bulls did, and congrats to them. And congrats to the members of True Trading Group, because honestly, the beauty about being a trader, and we day trade and we swing trade in True Trading Group. We trade stocks, options, crypto. We do futures. We do small caps, mid caps, large caps. That's why there's 9 professional traders with you during the day. We all have different styles. We all trade different things. So every day in True Trading Group, you're getting day trades and swing trades for all the different security types, because we have so many different professional traders that do this for a living full time, that are sharing their screen with you. They're talking to you on the microphone, giving you their real-time analysis, and they give you their notifications when they enter and exit their positions. And if you're someone that's working a busy full-time job, don't stress it, because you don't have to be in your front of your computer nowadays in order to make money from the markets. We spend a lot of time and money building a mobile app that's available on iPhone and Android, that all you need is your cell phone. You can see the screen share, you can listen to the audio commentary, and most importantly, you can get real-time push notifications when our moderators enter and exit positions. So if you're just sitting there at work, maybe you're answering some emails or you're on a conference call, you get a notification that says, oh, they just bought call options on Tesla. You can log into your account, buy some calls, set a stop, put your phone down. 3 hours later, you get another notification. Oh, they just took profit. Log in, take profit, adjust your stop, put your phone down. 2 days later, they just took profit again on Tesla. Log in, take profit, put your phone down. If you can do that during the day, then you can take advantage of this. We have over 10,000 members into your training group, and 82% of them have full-time jobs. They work over 40 hours a week. The rest of them are full-time traders or just retired, right? So, but that's how so many of our members that have full-time jobs, 82% of them, are able to do this and able to make money and benefit from the platform. And benefit hasn't been the greatest. I mean, this has been the greatest stretch of trading that we've ever had as a company and as a group of traders. And I'm not just saying that, like, actually statistically, this has been the best 3-month stretch of trading that we've ever had in True Trading Group. The mods are firing on all cylinders. We've actually had 70 triple-digit gains alerted inside of True Trading Group in the 4th quarter. We had 20 triple-digit, and again, not just me. There's 9 professional traders with you, okay? So in October, we had 20 triple-digit alerts. That was the best we've ever had. That was a personal record for us. We shattered that record in November with 28. Now it's December, and we're at 22. So here, I'm making this video on December 22nd, and we have 22 triple-digit gains in the month of December. That's one a day. One a calendar day, not even one a trading day, which is absolutely phenomenal and incredible. Can we actually reach 28 before the year is over? I don't know. There's 4 trading days left. We'll have to see. I certainly think we can maybe squeak out maybe just a couple of more, but regardless, it's just an unbelievable stretch and run that we've had in True Trading Group, and everything is confirmed and verified on our site, guys. All of our trading history, all of our entries, exits, every transaction that our mods make, uploaded right from the brokerage accounts onto our platform. So for all to see, we're fully transparent. We are an open book. Okay. And as a matter of fact, before I get into kind of the entire outlook for next year, I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. I don't come on this live stream or on this video recap or this YouTube channel in general and tell you, oh, hey, this is what happened today. No, I come on here. I give you lessons, yes, from trades that we're in or positions that we're in. I share with you my thoughts, and I tell you what I think is going to happen in the next day, in the next week, in the next month, so that you can be better positioned and you can be better prepared to actually make money from it, right? So I'm going to share with you on this video my thoughts on exactly how I believe the first couple of months of 2024 are going to go. And I'm going to give you some insight into a position that I'm getting into within the next couple of weeks that I plan on holding for at least a month or two, that I think everybody's going to be able to follow along and be positioned with. And if I'm right about that analysis, it's going to be a multiple triple-digit banger if I'm correct in this analysis. Now, am I wrong? Sometimes, yes, of course. I don't have a 100% win rate. As a matter of fact, the moderators at True Trading Group, all of us as a group collectively, have maintained a win rate on all of our executions of just around 80%. Now going on roughly the last 4 years, we've been able to maintain that win rate as a group. So we're right a hell of a lot more than we are wrong. 80% is phenomenal. You ask any trader, that's absolutely incredible. But not right every single time, right? Nobody is. But I'm going to give you guys that analysis and a position I'm going to be getting into. I'll share that with you all. But before I do that, I want to make sure you guys take advantage of the last couple of days here of the holiday sale that we have at True Trading Group, guys. TTG's annual membership, you can get it right now for a 51% discount. We offer a double your money back guarantee if you cannot make back your membership fee. And if you guys also are one of the lucky few, we have a couple of free laptops that are available. If you see a laptop in your checkout cart when you sign up to True Training Group, that means you are getting a free laptop. We ship anywhere in the world. The shipping cost is on us. It's free. It's a Windows 11 laptop. It's got Microsoft 365 on it. You can use to trade with, use it for work, give it to your kid for school. Hell, sell it on eBay, put the money back in your account. I really don't care what you do with it. It's a gift that we send out for joining TTG during this holiday sale. We have members in 115 countries. I don't care where you live, right? As long as you live on planet Earth, I'll get you the laptop. All you need to do is open up a web browser right now and go to ttgoffer.com. Use this coupon code, TTG121. Click apply code. You will then get the 51% discount. Now, when you hit the page, ttgoffer.com, the price is going to say $2,212. That is the normal price to join True Training Group's annual membership and get access to all the tools, the resources, the courses. However, you're here, use the coupon code, TTG121. It drops the price all the way down to $1,079. And I told you we offer a double your money back guarantee. It's right there on the checkout page. It is real. It's in black and white. Go read it. This is how it works. You'll pay $1,079 to join True Training Group for the whole year. Everything on ttgoffer.com, everything on that page is included for the $1,079. Nothing you see there is going to cost you another dollar. There's no upsells or hidden costs or fees for anything you see on that page. It's all included. Okay. When you join, you'll pay the $1,079. If you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one study group, you have all year to accomplish that. You don't have to do all that within like 30 days. Otherwise, your guarantee expires. You have the entire year of your membership. Go at your own pace. If you do that and you are still unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $1,079 membership fee that you're paying, if you can't make that money back at least one time, then I will give you back double your money. Literally, we'll give you back $2,158 for wasting your time. I can do that because our refund rate is less than 2.5% at True Training Group. And like I told you before, 78% of our members stay with us. 78% either renew their annual membership or they've gone on and elected to become a lifetime member of our community. That's why I have no problem offering you double your money back. If our refund rate was like 12%, I wouldn't be able to do that. Okay, True Training Group is a business, right? We have over 30 employees. We would go out of business if our refund rate was that high, and we offer double your money back. So that's why we can. When you guys join, you're going to get access to all of our courses, 22 courses. It's a simplified version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. There's no upsell for additional courses. They're all included. You get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data, insider trading, trading views charting software, the trade ideas scanner. You're going to get unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, AI tools, a trading journal, social sentiment scanner. All of this is included in the $1,079. You don't have to pay a dollar extra for any of it. Go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code. You have to manually type in the coupon code, TTG121, click apply code. The price drops to $1,079. You see the double your money back guarantee. And then as long as you see one of those laptops, see that laptop icon right there? As long as you see that, you're getting one. Once we run out of them, it'll just no longer be visible on the checkout page. The $1,079 price point is still good, but you won't get the free laptop if you don't see it in the checkout cart. So even if you're watching this video a day after it's already been posted or 2 days after it's been posted, go to the page, check it out. If you see one, you're good. That means you're getting one. You don't have to enter your address when you're joining. You're going to get a welcome email. In that welcome email after you join will be instructions how to claim the free laptop. So make sure you be on the lookout for it. Anyone that has any questions, guys, don't hesitate to send us a text message over the weekend, 1-888-306-8783. The phone number is right down there in the bottom of the screen. I'm dead serious. You're not going to talk to some customer service rep. You're actually going to talk to my business partner, the co-founder of True Training Group, Adam. The number is right down there, 1-888-306-8783. Any questions at all? I'm serious. The money back guarantee, the laptop, our trading, the courses, the tools that are anything. Text that number. We'll answer all of your questions. We're fully transparent. We're an open book. Okay. Now let's get back on over to my thoughts what I think the markets are going to do. I want to share this information with you guys, a trade I'm going to be putting on in the next couple of weeks. This market's rallied. And if you've been following my YouTube channel for the last couple of weeks, then you'll know that I told everybody following the Fed's dovish pivot. That's it. I believe that the market's going to hold on to this upward move, this bullish trend. But I thought we were going to consolidate here the week before Christmas and trade sideways. I actually drew. I mean, you guys can't see this now, so you're not going to be able to verify this because you weren't with me on my live streams, unless you were with me on my live streams. They're all on this YouTube channel if you want to go back and check them out. But I drew this rectangular box. I did a live stream on Thursday the 14th. It was either Thursday the 14th or Friday the 15th, whatever one it was. And I drew this rectangle. And I was like, I think we're going to trade in this rectangle for the next couple of days. Sure enough, that's what we've seen. And I just don't see a reason for the markets to really roll over until you get into the new year. And I'll tell you why. A lot of people, obviously the stock market is near all-time highs. The Dow's at all-time highs. The NASDAQ, the QQQ is right at all-time highs. The S&P is a stone throw away from your all-time highs. So people are up a lot of money on positions this year. I don't think anyone is going to want to really sell those positions, lock in profits before the year's over, and then realize that tax liability come April of 2024. What I think is more likely to happen is that people wait until January to then start taking profits. So that tax liability gets pushed all the way out until 2025. And I think people are going to want to take profits because there is still some questions and still some concerns about what's going to happen with commercial real estate, what's going to happen with the Fed, that the rate hikes that we've undergone over the last, year, 2 years. What is the lag effect on the economy going to be? Everybody expects the unemployment rate to tick up a little bit, but how much is it going to tick up? Everybody expects the economy to slow down, but how much is it going to slow down? So I think you're going to have this little bit of uncertainty coming into the year. And I think that that's a great opportunity for people to take profits. What I also think is going to happen is I think the consumer is going to really start to pull back. I think the consumer has been very, very strong up until this point. And I believe the holidays is like the consumer's last big spending hurrah. Then after the holidays, they're going to tighten up their belts a little bit and they're going to wait and they're going to try to just like recoup some of the savings that they've spent down in 2023 with higher prices and then obviously higher spending during the holidays. And I think you're going to get this tightening up of the consumer early in 2024. Then earnings are going to start to come out. I think companies might give a little bit of a weak guidance for 2024. You just saw what happened to Nike. Nike just came out. Nike's guidance was crap. They said, hey, listen, I think we're going to have a pretty crappy second half. And the stock got hit 12% on the back of that. Nike just last night came out earnings, was like, I don't really, the quarter wasn't bad. They actually beat their quarter estimate. It was their guidance on what their outlook is for next year is what sent the stock down 12%. Actually, one of the trades inside of True Trading Group today, not myself, but Shai, one of our professional trading mods in TTG, nailed this thing, put options up there when Nike ran up here to the 200-day moving average, when we popped over 110, grabbed put options, the stock drops all the way back down to the low of the day, and that's a very nice trade. You guys can see here, see this nice move to the downside there on Nike. Well, there's the huge gap down on earnings, but right here into this pop early, we bought put options in True Trading Group, and you can see we rolled over later in the day on the back of that news and then just ripped profits off into the close. That was good for, I believe, like a 40-50% gain for the group today in True Trading Group. So congratulations on that one, TTG fam. Not quite a triple-digit gain, right? But still a really nice trade. So congratulations on that one. But that's a sign of what I think is to come. I think you're going to see more of that come the next earnings season. And that is what I think is going to help cause additional profit taking. And then the end of January into February is when you get this pullback in the market. I'm going to be positioning myself in some SPY call options, probably with an April or May expiration, because the way that I think the first half is going to pan out is profit taking kicks in January, the consumer tightens up, some earnings conservativeness in earnings reports and outlook from companies that causes additional profit taking into February. And then you get into March and now you have your Fed meeting. And remember, the market thinks the Fed's going to cut rates in March. I don't think the Fed's going to cut rates in March. And if I'm right about that, then the market's going to be disappointed when the Fed stands in March. That then also causes the markets to pull back a little bit further. The area that I am targeting for this pullback is right here. This is the area that I'm targeting for this pullback right here. This is the area I want to get down and close this gap. Now, if you guys are unaware, this gap right there, so that big gap up, that was the CPI report, and it was a better than expected report. That gap has not been filled. I believe we can see a pullback in the first quarter that takes us back down into that level. And I'm going to be short. And I'm going to be making money on the way to the downside on the back of that. And then once we reach that level, I'm going to deploy some of those profits into the long-term portfolio, because then I believe that the Fed, and then I think the market stabilizes in April, starts to move higher, and then you get a rate cut in May, the first 25 basis point cut in May. And then by June, there's still no sign of a recession. If there's no sign of a recession or cracks in commercial real estate, the market starts to push to the upside. And I do believe that that is a very likely scenario for us next year. I will be positioned for it. I'll be walking members through True Trading Group throughout the entire process of what positions I'm in, how I'm in, when I'm out, and everything else. So if you guys want to be a part of that, I'm telling you now, I welcome you. Take advantage of the holiday sale, 51% off. We're on fire, 70 triple digits in the last three months. See if we can eke out a couple of more before the year is over. Go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops down 51% off. You see a laptop, you're getting one. You've got the double your money back guarantee, guys. Again, you do not need to enter your address to get the laptop. You're going to get a welcome email with instructions how to claim it. So make sure you check that out. There's only a couple of them left. It is limited. They are first come, first serve. So just go to ttgoffer.com. And if you see one, you're in luck. Hurry up and check out, because that means we still have some. Once we run out, it just will no longer be visible on the checkout page. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. Send me a text message, 1-888-306-8783. And then last but not least, if you're still not ready to join True Trading Group, I mean, unfortunately, that holiday sale will be ending. But if you want to join our trial, you can do that as well. It'll cost you, if you want to go through our trial membership, it's going to cost you nearly $1,500 if you do want to join True Trading Group after going through the trial. So if you're ready to just join, you got the double your money back guarantee. Just go join directly now. Save the $450. Only pay $1,079. Get the free laptop. If not, you are more than welcome to join our trial. It's 7 days, but here's the kicker. You don't have to wait until Tuesday to join the trial. It's 7 trading days. So the weekends and holidays do not count against your 7 days. You're not going to miss Monday with Christmas. You're not going to miss New Year's Day when the markets are closed. It is 7 trading days. So you can join right now without any worry that you're going to miss those days. It's 7 trading days. Go to ttgthree.com. That's TTG3 spelled out.com. You guys can trade with myself and the rest of the community for 7 full trading days and capitalize on what has been the greatest trading that we have ever had as a company and the greatest trading environment that I've ever seen in my 17-year career. Now, we do ask that you pay $3 for the trial. Let me explain to you why. No, I don't care about the $3, but we do it to make sure that you're a real person. We maintain a very high-quality chat room during the day. There are thousands of people that are in that room throughout the day, and I do not want someone coming in there and spamming a bunch of nonsense in chat and being disruptive and distracting people from our goal, which is plain and simple, to make money. So I do not want to jeopardize the quality of that experience. That is why we charge $3 just to make sure you are a real person. There is no automatic upgrade. There's no automatic renewal. It is a one-time payment of $3. That's it. You've all spent more than $3 for coffee at Starbucks. It's $3. That's it. With the best damn $3 you ever spent in your life. I promise you that. Go to ttgthree.com, enter your name, email, phone number, click yes, I want this. Just fill out the form and then get on the platform. There's 3 sample courses that are included with your trial. You get access to some of the tools and resources that are on the platform. Familiarize yourself with them, and let's be ready to kick some ass on Tuesday when markets open back up after the holiday. And let's see if we can eke out another couple of triple-digit gains to add to that 70 mark before the year is over. Again, it's a one-time payment. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no automatic renewal. There's no automatic upgrade. After your trial is over, if you do not manually upgrade to an annual membership, it just expires. You're never charged anything again. So again, it's ttgthree.com. Join the trial. Otherwise, go straight to ttgoffer.com right now, guys. Grab one of those free laptops while we still have them. Enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops to $10.79. You've got the double your money back guarantee to protect you. I don't think you need it, but it's there for peace of mind. If you guys cannot make enough winning trades that equal that $1,079 at least once during your membership, I will give you back $2,158. You can keep the laptop too, by the way, just for wasting your time. I can do that because our refund rate's less than 2.5%, so I don't mind doing it. I put my money where my mouth is. I believe in this platform, and I believe in the platform's ability to help you reach your goals. That's how I prove it to you. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you haven't done so already, smash that like button. Show some love. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. I go live on this channel many times, like 5 times during the week. I go live with real-time lessons, questions, and answers, and providing you analysis and discussing positions and trade ideas. So make sure you guys set your reminders. Don't miss out. Have a wonderful holiday, everybody. Merry Christmas. I love you guys. I'll see you all on Tuesday. Take care.